So it's just about 10 years old now. Litecoin has proven that it is here to stay, and it's up about 75% in 2020. And if this bull trend does continue, then how high can Litecoin go in 2021? Hey everyone, it's John here with Currency.com. So as we round up the year, it's time for another 2021 prediction, and this time we'll be having a look at Litecoin. So if that is what you're looking for, then stay tuned to this video because I will give you our 2021 price prediction on Litecoin. And as usual, if you're new to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like this video as well. We have a lot more videos on the channel to help you out, and we have a lot more coming in the new year. And another thing here before we get started, Christmas is right around the corner, and Currency.com is giving away up to $100 in stock value. So get your referral link, share that with your friends. I'll play a quick clip for you guys here about the promotion, and then let's jump into the video. So here we go. First things first, let's have a look at the trader sentiment right now on Currency.com. For Litecoin, it does show the price is leaning towards the low of the day. The trader sentiment, 80% buyers, 20% sellers. So some important support levels that I will be looking for throughout 2021 is right at about 71.50, which is currently the 50-day moving average. And then $60, which is the August 2020 highs. And then $50, which has been a yearly psychological support, and also it was a yearly support for 2020. Towards the upside, if Litecoin continues the bullish trend, $83 is the first level to watch, which was a previous 2020 high, and then $93, which is the 2020 high so far right now in December. And then the last level that I would look for Litecoin to test is right around $145, which was the high from 2019. So looking here at a long-term view on Litecoin, I did have a really good 2019 where it rallied all the way up to about $140, bringing it up about 370% that year. But then that summer in July, I did have a deep correction down, bringing it right back to that yearly open level, erasing just about all of those gains. And then Litecoin did open up 2020 at a strong support level, right about at $40. It did have a nice strong run for the beginning of the year, up to about $83, just like the other cryptos. And then the COVID news came out and brought the market down with Litecoin just about at $20. And then in March, the price quickly recovered, bringing it right back to that $40 range, where the price ranged for about 3 to 4 months before crossing that 200-day moving average in July. The price there ended up having another lower high for the year and brought it right back down to that $40 support to test it once again. And now this is where things change. So the price bounced right back up above that 200-day moving average, and Litecoin started to begin the run with some good news that came out right about at the same time that PayPal will be using Litecoin on their new crypto trading platform, where users can buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrencies. The other ones were also Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and also Ethereum. And that good news brought Litecoin right up to a new yearly high at about $95. So now the big question is, will Litecoin continue to run into 2021, or is this rally done and is going to start a long-term correction? So here is what I see happening. If things do remain bullish for Litecoin in 2021, my bullish price target is right around $140. And that would bring Litecoin up about 80-90% from the current levels, which would be a good range because that has been the average gain for Litecoin in the past few years. And I would be looking at the price action forming a large cup and handle, which would be bullish because that would be the third time that 140 resistance gets tested and would more than likely break out, or even have a small breakout and flip into a support level. Plus, we also have that PayPal and more adoption coming into the new year, which will help Litecoin remain in that top spot as one of the top cryptocurrencies, and also more and more users come into the community to support it. If you look at the price action right now, within this year, we do have a smaller cup and handle in here, which will more than likely break out this third time around above that $80 range, which is good because that will give us a higher support level for the year of 2021, which is up almost 100% from 2020's yearly support level. And another thing to mention here, any large breakout that Litecoin has had above that 200-day moving average has stayed above there for somewhere between 100 days to 175 days. So if we do have a similar situation happen again, that would bring us all the way into about April for Litecoin to continue the bullish price action before potentially heading back lower to test the yearly support level. And also compared to 2017 bull run, you can see when Litecoin crossed over, it did hit a few resistance levels before continuing upwards. You can see compared to right now, we're still at the early stages of that crossover, and Litecoin could continue that cup and handle formation, breakout, and even test all-time high sometime in 2021. But also on the bearish side, there also is a potential for a lower high for Litecoin, and the price could go into a long-term bear trend. My price target for that would be right down here at about $50, which would still be a good buy the dip entry level with a stop loss close to that $40 level. Because if we do approach that $40 level, then there is a high chance that it will break and Litecoin will continue downwards to test that March low from 2020. And right now to the upside, there's not much resistance levels. So if we are topping out here for a lower high, then I would expect that bear trend to last all the way throughout 2021 with a few bounces up to test some previous resistance levels, but continue to slowly bleed down. But that is a worst case scenario for Litecoin. Right now, I am remaining bullish on what's to come. And here's the range on the bullish side to 140. You can see we're kind of closer to the middle, but also things could flip and turn bearish. And we do have a few support levels to hold before we head down to that bearish $50 target. But who knows what can happen. And I'm looking for things to continue upwards in 2021. Test that 140 level, cup and handle formation, breakout to potentially go up to all-time high. But feel free, if there is anything that I missed in this video or anything that you would like to add, let me know right in the comments below. And also don't forget to let me know what your target is for 2021. So that's all I have to share in this video. I want to thank you for tuning in. And also don't forget, take a second right now. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. And I hope you enjoyed this video so I can see you next time. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.